Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Aphiology. As you know that birds are the beauty of the nature. There are almost 9 to 10,000 species of birds in the world. They vary in different color, shape and size. Some birds are very loving and innocent. People keep them as their pets. But some birds are very dangerous and terrible. Today I have brought new video for you about top 7 terrible birds in the world. So let's start. Number 7 in our list is African vulture. African vulture looks so scary that everyone is scared to look at it. It is extremely huge in size. Along with its size, the body is very powerful. It has very broad wings and short tail feathers and a wide neck ruff. Young vultures are largely dark. This is a medium-sized vulture. Its body mass is 4.2 to 7.2 kilograms. It is 78 to 98 centimeters long and has a 6 to 7 feet wingspan. Like other vultures, it feeds mostly from carcasses of animals which it finds by soaring over the savanna. It also takes scrap from human habitations. It often moves in flocks. It breeds in trees on the savanna of West and Eastern and Southern Africa. They mostly live in residential areas. The primary food source of vultures are the dead bodies of large grazing animals found in the wooded savannas where it lives. This includes zebras, gazelles, ostriches, and even livestock. However, they can only eat animals with soft tissue. They are so selfish that they even don't care about other vultures. They are so lazy that they try to find dead animals so they don't have to struggle much to feed themselves. Number 6 in our list is Kea parrots. Parrots are very loving and friendly in nature. People keep them as pets. They talk to people in their language. But this breed of parrot is very dangerous and terrible. They are mostly found in mountains and forests. They are of the nature that they deliberately come into human territory and spoil their belongings. They also ruin soft things like rubbers, wires and shoes. The most dangerous thing about them is that they eat sheep. If they don't find dead sheep, they start scratching the meat of live sheep at night time. They also feed on rabbits, roots, plants, leaves, berries, nectar and insects. They are not only cruel but also very dangerous for humans. Kea parrots can solve logical puzzles such as pushing and pulling things in a certain order to get to the food, and will work together to achieve a certain objective. The next terrible bird in our list is red-tailed hawk. The red-tailed hawk is one of the largest birds, typically weighing from 690 to 1600 grams and measuring 45 to 65 centimeters in length with a wingspan from 110 to 141 centimeters. It can be seen hunting in the plains and fields of North America. It is a very aggressive bird and also known as a ruler of birds as it doesn't allow anyone to enter its area. They attack different birds, animals and even humans are their victims. They are so dangerous that even if someone comes near to their nest, they will kill them whether it's a bird, animal or a human. They are seen by very few people because it likes to stay away from humans. They eat mammals such as voles, rats, rabbits and ground squirrel, and also eat many birds and reptiles, especially snakes. Sometimes eats bats, frogs, toads, insects, and various other creatures. Number 4 in our list is barred owl. The barred owl is quite a small bird of prey compared to its contemporaries. It weighs between 2.5 to 3 pounds, so it is aimed to attack smaller victims. They are found in southern United States forests. Their feathers have a silencer so that the prey can't hear them coming. It then swoops and attacks the victim's head with their talons that are as sharp as a razor. It claws, pecks and squeezes the target, causing severe head injuries. This conservative-looking bird usually attacks the hikers in the Pacific Northwest. It eats many mice and other small rodents, also squirrels, rabbits and other small mammals. It also eats various birds, frogs, salamanders, snakes, lizards, some insects, crayfish, crabs and fish. And the number 3 is Great Northern Loon. Great Northern Loon is a potentially dangerous bird. These ducks are mostly found in lakes and forest regions. They are also seen in North America, weighing approximately 8 to 12 pounds, and their length is 70 to 90 centimeters, and the mass is 1.6 to 8 kg. Great Northern Loon has pointed and razor-sharp bills to spear apart their fish prey. Unfortunately, they don't hunt on fish alone. This scary bird killed a human mistakenly, confusing him as a predator. Loons are not social birds. You can usually find them by themselves during the day. At night, they sometimes stick together in groups called flocks while they sleep. When they migrate, they typically fly alone, though some like to group up during the journey. In one way, loons are like airplanes. They need a runway to take off. Loons will flap their wings and run about 30 yards across the surface of the water in order to gain enough speed for liftoff. Number 2 in our list is ostrich. Ostriches are bigger than any other bird in the world. They can grow up to 9 feet tall and can weigh up to 145 kilograms. And an ostrich's eyes are 2 inches in diameter, the largest of any land animal. An ostrich's powerful long legs can cover 10 to 16 feet in a single stride. It runs with a speed of 70 km per hour. Its legs can also be terrifying weapons. Ostrich kicks can kill a human or even a lion. Ostriches typically eat plants, roots, and seeds, but will also eat insects and lizards. They are also very territorial and aggressive animals. Domestic ostriches are somewhat smaller and more obedient, but their temperament and relationship with human beings do not make them very compatible as pets. If they get angry, they can kill a person. And the number 1 in our list is southern cassowary. The stunningly beautiful southern cassowary is supposed to be the most dangerous bird in the world. This bird that weighs greater than 130 pounds and a height of around 6 feet has spurs that are razor sharp as its weapon. And believe it or not, it has the powerful kick forces over all the animals that could knock down its victim to death. Cassowaries eat fallen fruits, small vertebrates, invertebrates, fungi, carrion, and plants. It's well known that cassowaries can be dangerous like ostriches. They are the only birds known to have definitely killed humans. Serious injuries resulting from cassowary attacks are most likely to occur if the person is lying or has fallen on the ground. Although cassowaries have a reputation for being dangerous to people and animals and are often regarded as aggressive, but deadly encounters with cassowaries are rare. The bird can jump quite high and kick powerfully with their blade-like claws. So that's it from today's video. I hope you guys liked my work, and yes, don't forget to subscribe.